Hello, bhai. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will discuss most popular indicator EMA, exponential moving average. In this video, you will learn how to use EMA very effectively. Now, I will try to definition of EMA. Let's continue. EMA. EMA. Exponential moving average. EMA full form exponential moving average. Exponential moving average. स्कूल पर आप एवरेज का चैप्टर खत्म किया. सिंपल. व्हाट इज एवरेज? Average. Let's take a example. In a class, there are 10 student. Student A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 10 student. मार्क दे सपोज मार्क देना दे एग्जाम देने के बाद मार्क पाया 20, 30, 10, 15, 5, 10, 20, 30, 10. Total mark 10 student. 1, 2, 5. Total 150 mark. 10. Then divided 10. So total 15. एवरेज होगा 10 स्टूडेंट का 15. इसी तरह शेयर मार्केट पर शेयर प्राइस डिफॉल्ट आपको सेटल करना पड़ेगा. In exponential moving average, you customize. Suppose you can see week, month, quarter, 6 month and 1 year. Suppose you आपको जानना है 1 वीक पर कितना मार्केट अप ट्रेंड है. ओके. और एक बात, now I will explain later. First I will give some or be definition. Exponential moving average is a trend indicator and most popular used by trader or investor for trend identification. Exponential moving average. Suppose you see 1 week exponential moving average बताता है गौर. सपोज 15 डेज मूविंग एवरेज का above है तो शेयर bullish and below a moving average the share is bearish. Next, exponential moving average price of average price of a stock. Average price of a stock. Now I will difference. I will explain difference between simple moving average and exponential moving average. Simple moving average and exponential moving average. Simple moving average gives all weightage average of a stock, and exponential moving average gives average all recent of a stock. Recent weight. Simple moving average and exponential moving average. Simple moving average gives low slow reaction slow slow reaction, and exponential moving average gives fast reaction. Now I will try exponential moving average. Famous exponential moving average number depositing EAMA 9 is basically short term intraday, very short term. It is useful for intraday only. Short term. It is useful very short term intraday. Short term के next exponential moving average 20 शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए, ये भी शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेंड के लिए. नेक्स्ट एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज 50 एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज 50 मीडियम टर्म ट्रेंड. नेक्स्ट एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज 100 exponential moving average 100 strong trend trend support, and exponential moving average 200 exponential moving average 200 long term के लिए long term trend. Exponential moving average is very important. When you are a momentum investor, when you choose a stock, you always choose above 200 moving average. Suppose you buy below 200 moving average. Wait. 200 days moving average is very important. Above 200 days moving average, that means this momentum investor, and below 200 that means value investor, momentum and value investor. Next, price above EMA, bullish, price below EMA bearish. So price above EMA, that means the stock is bullish, and price below EMA, that means the stock is bearish. So what is the significance of exponential moving average? So significance of EMA, significance. Number 1, quick trend identification. Point to remember. always trade with trend, not against trend. Always trade with with trend, not against. Always trade with trend, not against it. गीता शुरू का आप क्यों पकड़ गया? So significance basically quick trend identification. Next, better buy signal, buy and sell signal. Better buy and sell signal. It also helps us support and resistance. Support and resistance. Support and resistance. It use it helps all time frame. All time frame. It's help all time frame. It also helps reduce market noise. Reduce market noise. So, मेरा topic exponential moving average. Suppose you are a momentum investor, you should buy stock above 20, and suppose you are a value investor, you buy below 200 moving average. Most of stock are below 200 moving average. मेरा टॉपिक एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज